Seeds. Hi, this is Heidi and Creamy. I own the store, The Lesson Pony. Today what I'm going to show you how to do is to get free materials for your classroom. If you're like me, I like to do labs almost every single day, but it gets expensive. Even if it wasn't expensive, I'd rather save my funds towards getting better equipment or better fossils or something like that that I can use and save for a long time. Today we're going to be talking about marigolds, and I'm going to show you how to get free seeds from marigolds. I'm going to let Miss Creamy walk away right now as I show you how to get the seeds. Okay, Creamy, go on. Go on. Go, Grace. Go on. Okay. Right here is a marigold plant. As you can see, it's seeing better days. Now, right here is a flower that has pretty much died out. All you do is take the seeds, as you can see, and all these little pieces are seeds. So if you harvest the seeds, you can save them and use it in your class for lessons. I'm going to be posting a few plant lessons. Now, when you sow the seeds, make sure that you don't put them in a plastic container. They'll get moldy. Put them into a paper bag. What I do is I put them on a cookie sheet with a piece of brown paper on it and just let them air out. With these plants here, I'll show you after I'm done filming, I'll get enough seeds to do about 5 to 10 experiments with the students. What you can do for experiments is give them 10 seeds, see how many grow. You can measure the growth. You can see, do the yellow marigolds go faster than the orange ones? There's so many different experiments you can do. However, again, if you're starting to buy the seeds, it starts to get expensive. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and if I can be of any help to you, please let me know. Creamy and I are here to help you. Creamy and I are going to go up to the ring now, and since you stay, Creamy has a trick that she's been practicing that she wants to show you. Thank you again, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Good girl.